In today's time, diesel motors in trains decrease in efficiency when operated in low power. Similarly, coal-driven motors also decrease in efficiency when operated in low power. Ultimately, both result in bearing the high costs and the loss of precious fossil fuels. To reduce dependency on the fossil fuel on railway transportation, government has taken initiative of electrification of Indian railways. Electricity is not only more cost-effective than diesel and coal, but is also eco-friendly by not producing air pollution. To support the government initiative of electrification of railways, electrification structure along the railway tracks plays a vital role. Utkarsh India Limited, founded in 1987, has evolved into an enterprise that meets global demands for life through dynamic quality control and technological advancements, giving the company a distinct edge over its competitors. Utkarsh India Limited manufactures a plethora of engineering products that have become a symbol of excellence and the first choice for those who never compromise with quality and strength. Utkarsh India offers a diverse product basket ranging from RSJ mast, BFB mast, B-Series mast, TTC mast, Portal, SPS and TSS. Utkarsh India's railway electrification structure unit has 8-angle and plate CNC lines, manufactured with imported machinery and latest technology. We have 4 12.5 meter long GI bath for single dipping facility, which gives better finishing to the products. We have fully automated state-of-the-art fabrication facilities. Utkarsh India also has an in-house facility for acceptance tests in accordance with standards for railway electrification structure. Utkarsh India, an ISO 9001-2015 company, manufactures railway electrification structures under certifications from Approved Part 1, Source Core Allahabad. Utkarsh India has supplied over 1 lakh metric ton core structures till date. The goal of Utkarsh India Limited is to provide world-class products to its customers and be an industry benchmark across all verticals. We work hard to fulfill the global demands and bring our corporate ethos. Life demands, we deliver.